Okay, welcome everybody. Another late day on my toy inventory. Keep losing track of the days, but got old Jabba the Hutt in here. Got mildly posable arms, little cobwebs in his thumbs. The tail does wag a little bit when you do that. Probably one of the more mobile effects. He originally came with a little hookah on his Diaz, and he had, like I say there, I've got one of the doors. I think it was supposed to sort of recreate the Rancor pit, but it was a really bad job of it. It was it was about, he was this long, it was probably about this long, that tall, and like I say, it opened up and there was like a little bones and skeletons underneath it. Like I say, it also came with Salacious Crone figure. I thought I'd seen that recently, but I can't find it now. So if I find him some other time, I'll definitely post him up. Let's say not much to Jabba. He's, blobby, no real details on there. I don't even see a copyright notice on him. That's unusual for a Star Wars toy. Let's see. I'm just not seeing it. Yeah, it's usually you get that on. They can't help but brand themselves with the Lucasfilm on some part of it. On his arms, maybe. No, it does not have one. I'm surprised at that. Usually they got their stuff on everything. Maybe is it on any of the other pieces? These aren't really supposed to have been removed, but of course that's the only pieces I've got. But sort of. The great slug himself. Got the red eyes. Got that sort of. The eyes follow you a little bit. You got that effect. That's actually. I don't know that I'd ever noticed that before, but the pupils doing their thing there. But I actually got a fair amount of play out of this one. The play set and everything. He could use his tail to whack people with. But otherwise, that's what I had of Jabba, left of Jabba. So thanks for watching. I'll dig something else out of the toy box on Friday. Come back then.